All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna ride in the neighborhood a little bit. I feel pretty confident watching you do this. You knew how to handle an emergency. You know how to turn. The only things that are different from this right here in the cul-de-sac and then out on the road is that we do have traffic, so we're gonna try to stay in our side of the lane. Nice, easy turns. We do have stop signs, so that's where we practice our stops here. We're gonna practice our stops at the stop sign and friction zone, kind of creeping out, finding that warm water with that left hand. And then we'll make turns. I'm gonna be basically like a fly. So I might get in front of you, I might get side by side with you, I might get behind you. You just do your thing. I'm gonna avoid you. Like you're gonna try to swat me. It's like I'm gonna avoid you and we're just gonna talk on our cardos. And then, yeah, we're gonna go through the cul-de-sac, come out, cul-de-sac, come out, cul-de-sac, come all the way out, and then head home. And then we're done. So engine start, do everything. And then I want you to do a U-turn in this big area. I know you can do that because I've seen you do it in the smaller parts. And I will be right here next to you. And then we're gonna try to keep it around 20 miles an hour. I forgot to mention, yeah, 20 miles an hour, 25 is max here in a residential neighborhood. You're gonna wanna shift into second. Okay, so that's just that one up, just like you were doing. And it's gonna be feeling weird when you shift, it's gonna be a little jerky. Find that warm water area again. So in order to shift, you pull it all the way in, shift up. You're gonna roll off the throttle, shift up, and then release, okay? So we'll figure it out, and if anything goes crazy, once again, straighten up, squeeze. You're good. You do wherever you wanna do it. All right. So you're gonna follow me for this first one. And I'm just gonna go nice and slow. And then we're gonna do a turn to the right. And now you're gonna get in front of me and you're gonna make that U-turn up there using the cul-de-sac.
Do you want me to shift down?
You can stay in second gear if you want. Are you in second gear?
Yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and stay in second gear. You're just gonna have to use that friction zone on that left hand to make that U-turn. But we got nice big U-turns right here. There you go, look through the turn. Nobody's coming. You're gonna get in front of me again. And then you're gonna stop at the stop sign. And then you're gonna turn right. And then you're gonna lead the rest of the way. Very good. So you don't have any traffic this way. You're gonna turn right. So when it starts chugging like that, you can give it some of that friction zone and a little bit of throttle. And if it feels too powerful, you can give it more clutch.
Okay.
You're doing great. So we're gonna slow it down. We're gonna make a right-handed turn.
Oh my gosh.
Don't worry about the gravel too much. There you go. Now make that turn. If you feel like you're going too slow, you can shift back to first. It's up to you. So we're gonna use the whole middle part of this road. There you go, look through the turn. Very good. So you're good with traffic. So make sure you keep looking. There you go. Same thing. Very good. So instead of going right, we're gonna go left. So we're gonna stop at the stop sign. We're gonna look both ways. Okay, there's no cars coming. Go ahead. And we're just gonna stay on the main road. We don't need to go in the cul-de-sacs, but I want you to feel like some speed. So see if we can get to 20. Just stay on your side of the lane. And if you want to, you can get to 25, but that's the max. So now right here, we're gonna start slowing down. So roll off the throttle just a little bit. Stay in second gear. And if you need to slow down with the brakes, go ahead. And we're gonna make a left-handed turn. Look through the turn, look, 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 keep looking. Give it some throttle. And then just go ahead and park in front of the house. You don't have to pull in. So now that we're getting closer, you could probably roll off the throttle. You can start using some of the clutch, so because you're going a little bit slow.
Oh.
That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Keep looking forward. And just like we're stopping normally, you're gonna get right behind there. And then you're gonna go ahead and apply the brakes and pull in the clutch. And then you're gonna put it in neutral. So it's half up, there you go. You're gonna do the engine shut off, side stand. And you're gonna get off the left side.
Wait.
There it is.
So what was that at the?
Good job.
What was that at the end?
So you downshifted from second to first, and then you let out the clutch. And so there's too high of RPMs because you were going like, let's say 20 to 11 or 12, I saw that. And so when you let it out, it still had about a 20 mile an hour engine RPM. And that's why it jumped you. And so when you do downshift, you are like letting it out nice and easy and then giving it a little bit of throttle at the same time. That's a beginner thing. It's a lot of that. But you did great. And so if that does happen again, I saw you looked at me like, what happened? I want you to continue looking forward because that's where you're going. And then just maintain that. Because if you look like this way, remember what happens when you turn or you look your head? You'll start to crash. But you did great.
Thanks.